'96 Ford F-100. It's getting darker out here pretty quick too. Time change. Assume that's a Ford engine. So. And it's clean as a whistle, and it's got a LED gauge package too. A little bit dark in here. I'll probably get out my cell phone here because it's got a little light in it. And you got your nice hard tonneau cover. It looks like your gas filler up is down there. Very sweet. It's got Ford engraved in the taillights too. Body's very clean. Very clean. It's like a dark maroon. With the 5-spoke wheels, you got the flames on the running boards. It's lowered quite a bit. This makes them good for driving down the highway. I personally don't like to lower in the truck though, because I'm kind of like a rat truck guy. As you can see, my El Camino is a rat El Camino. Anyway. Yeah, I like that air cleaner style too. Looks like 2 4-barrels, but it's not. But it's a nice style. So yeah, get a little bit of a. Sun's going down. Probably gonna pull out my cell phone camera here, which is actually probably better than this camera anyway. This camera is a Nikon, which is one of the best handheld. I don't know what you call those, it's like a cheap camera, but it's Nikon. It makes some good lenses and stuff, and whatever the hell it works. But the cell phone I got is actually incredible. I'm surprised it's one of the best ones going.